Hey, welcome to my channel, guys. This is gonna be another unboxing video, and this time around it's a StarTech enclosure for external hard disk, and it's connected with the USB 3.1, so with expected of transfer rate 10 gigabit per second, and I'm gonna use that with the Seagate Exos 12 terabyte, and this is actually enterprise hard disk, but somehow the price is cheaper than Seagate NAS Pro, and Iron Wolf Nice Pro, that's what I meant. And let's opening up the enclosure. See here some kind of hard to find and easy, so some manual in there, and this is the actual enclosure from StarTech.com. Oh, it's actually a bit plasticky. I thought it would be more metal enclosure, but let's see what inside the box first. Here's some external accessories, like thing here. It's very difficult to open it with one hand, but I think that's just the charger in there for the power, and as well as the USB cable. So nothing special there. But now I think we should open the enclosure itself. This is what we... Oops. Actually, I'm wrong. It's actually it's aluminum enclosure, I believe, with some side here is a bit plastic type. But here you see the connection, and later I think if you want to see the speed test, and leave me the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.